Okay, here we go to draw some simple bird drawing with simple sketches. After practicing oval, circle, lines and everything, the first step we need to practice some simple birds without without adding any detail. Okay, so first thing, here I have some pictures. Uh, Here I have some pictures just now which I have done uh, the few minutes back. I have done that one, so I am going to show how to do again. Okay, so first with a simple circle and all, and the bigger circle with lighter pressure on the pencil. Here we are going to add dimensional drawing. Okay, it is not the exactly, we are just pointing out the forms where it is coming and where it will join, so that we are going to add some. This is very simple. Okay, this is the first step to draw the bird drawing. The second step, then now we are going to start with the second step, adding little some more detail. Okay, here we have to pay attention towards the and mark some detail drawing, some beak. Okay, this is very not a detailed drawing of a bird, a simple one to represent. Okay, adding some darker depth. And the tail is behind the branch, so you can add and this is the first one. And now I am going to start with a little bigger bird. Okay, that with the your you can manage with this one. First the whole body. Okay, then it is little behind. Okay, and further. Beak is like this, it is little longer and bend in the beak, and this one eye. Now I'm going to add the legs and tail. So here are some strokes, and along to the direction of the volume we need to add the strokes, then only it will give the exact form structure of the bird. If we go in the opposite direction, definitely we will not get what the result we want. Here also, okay, now always at the bottom where the leg is joining, always it will be dark because it is opposite to the sunlight. And little wherever it is necessary we can add it. It is a rough sketch. Okay, this is how. And to the feet and all we can add some leafy structure. Okay, we can add some thing which is taking. Now one more drawing I like to show you with bigger in it is a bigger. So here the form I'm going to, okay, and it is little lengthier. Okay, the form is going. Okay, now so here again we will adding and some strokes. This is how with three different types of birds. It is a purely rough sketch. I have taken very less number of time here to draw this. So you need to have, with patience you can add more detail to the drawing. If you have, you should give more time while drawing, then obviously to draw any type of birds, this is the procedure we need to follow it.